Hey, let's check out the garden. This will be reworked. Nothing but baby weeds came up in here. Those with a 12, 14, 18-inch root. So anyway, I'm going to work on that before they get out of hand. That'll be one of my projects later on. I've been working on some yard ornaments. I'll show you what that's about. Beautiful hunks of wood that make very nice settings in a natural environment. That's the Brussels sprout. That's the whole darn thing. How about that? Aren't they pretty? This is one of my chicken deterrents. Chances are they're not going to go in there and dig around. I just threw down the old tobacco. It had leaves on it. And underneath that I have a whole bunch of barbells. Anyway, no, I don't use barbells. No, I don't know anybody that does. But anyway, the leaves will compost. They get real slimy and stuff. All that's real slimy right now, and that'll feed my garlic. The kids broke one of the trees off of the neighbor's, or broke one of the branches off of one of the neighbor's trees, and I thought I'd put it in here and make kind of a natural environment just in this corner. Now if it becomes a fire hazard and I start freaking out and I can get real obsessive about stuff, no, I'll clean it up. But I think it's something that the chickens would like, and I can water it. You know, it'll be a part of the garden. Isn't that beautiful? I just love this stuff. Check out the old collard. It was a seedling in spring of 2018. Look at that baby. Isn't it beautiful? Yeah. Miss Belly was buried under here. She loved to hang out here. This is was one of her biggest hangouts. Yeah. Such is life. And it is still going. It is still going. Look at that. Spring 2018. Making more yard ornaments. Plus I am getting ready for compost. Those are my compost scoops. Big, thick, bubbly compost. Are you ready for that? This is a project that I just started today. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop open the ground. Sort of got started there. And I'm going to drop a potato about 2, 3, 4 inches in. And then I'm going to put a stick up. Stick right in the ground. And I'm going to do that with every single potato that I plant along the way. And that way the chickens won't be so tempted. You know, if I got them about 4 or 5 inches apart, I'll plant them close, you know. They can grow long runners. We'll see what they do. But anyway, I want to put the sticks in when I put the potatoes in so that I don't have to worry about the chickens digging them up, because they will dig up the potatoes. And that'll just be a part of the protection. I'm sure I'll come up with something else too, because I don't want them to make my potatoes green. But anyway, there's the beginning right there. That's how I do it. I just, you know, take out the big potatoes and replant the little ones. Here's some more beauty in a natural garden. You know, that's really, I love beauty. I love beautiful gardens. I don't like them to be all, you know, dust and dirt and black plastic, and you know, I like mine to be more on the how God made it side. So anyway, not much in there, huh? So some celery. I'm gonna clean that up. That was weird celery, I'll tell you. It was all hollow. I do like the walnut tree. It's so pretty. It's getting so big. I think it's like 10 years old, 9 or 10 anyway. I lose track. I don't write things down. Isn't that neat? Look at those spots on that. I love nature. I know you haven't heard me mention this one for a while. There's the nut tree. It's a filbert. Filbert or a hazelnut? Are they the same? I've looked it up, but I don't remember. But anyway, well, I think that's about it.